today's video, I'm going to be exploring a new material that I've never actually even heard of before I got it on a comment on some YouTube video called Orgonite. So basically by layering inorganic and organic materials in a certain mold, like a pyramid or a crystal shape, which is what I'm going to be doing today, these forms will produce esoteric energy and have a lot of other benefits like cleansing the air of EMF radiation and peace of mind benefits. So in this video, I'll be using quartz crystals, copper wire, and steel wool. So let's get started. Something notable about Orgonite is the conditions of the process that it's being made under. A lot of people suggested while working to be listening to really calming tones. So I had this Enya CD that I decided to put on. Hopefully that sufficed. And also just to be in a very calm state of mind while creating these layers. Using different metal materials, I created some coils as well as coiled around a few crystals. Another important step is also to include organic material within the metal fibers. So even though you can't see it in the end product, I am putting quartz crystals within the layers of copper and steel. It's said that you can feel the positive energy immediately once you're unmolding these pieces. And with this in mind, I was definitely more in the moment and paying attention to how I was feeling. I really enjoyed making these. I think they have such a unique look and I'm definitely going to try to make it in the future. I'm actually really excited to try using wool as an organic material with the crystals and the copper and the other metals. After a quick sanding and polishing, the crystals were complete, and I'm really excited to see if I have any change of attitude as I place these around my home. Thanks for watching me experiment with this, and I hope you subscribe.